Hello and welcome to Fox Tech. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable the notification bar on your iPhone. The notification bar can be quite useful, but it can also be distracting if you're constantly being interrupted by notifications. Let's walk through the steps to customize or disable it to suit your preferences. First, let's clarify what we mean by the notification bar. Some people refer to it as the notifications that slide down from the top of the screen, which iOS calls banners. Others might mean the notifications you see on the lock screen, which can also be referred to as the notification bar. We'll cover how to manage both types. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Notifications panel. It's easy to spot. It has a red icon with a bell on it. At the top of the notification settings, you'll see options for how notifications are displayed on the lock screen. You can choose between stack, list, or just count. This allows you to customize how you want your notifications to appear when your phone is locked. Now let's scroll down to the bottom of the notification settings. Here, you'll find a list of every single app installed on your iPhone. This is where you can manage notifications on an app-by-app basis. To disable the notification bar or the banners that slide down from the top, select an app from the list. You'll see several options: lock screen, notification center, and banners. If you want to stop notifications from sliding down from the top, simply uncheck the banners option. You can also uncheck lock screen and notification center if you want to completely disable notifications for that app. Additionally, there are settings for the banner type. You can choose whether the banner stays visible or slides back up after a few seconds. This allows for further customization based on your preferences. By managing these settings, you can control which notifications you receive and how they are displayed, reducing distractions and making your iPhone experience more tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable the notification bar on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fox Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.